Hello everybody, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. Hello. Today we're going to be getting ready for a walk, and apparently this walk has really beautiful scenery and nice places to take Insta pics, so we shall see. Getting ready right now. A lot of you have been asking for like an updated makeup routine, a makeup routine of some sort, so you can just follow me along as I do my makeup today and get ready. So first I use this brow pencil and I'm just gonna brushing my brows.
Shout out Yams.
I have Easy Edges Edge Control Gel and I'm just gonna use that for my edges. And I use the same brush that I use for my edges for my eyebrows because I forgot my toothbrush that I normally use for my edges, but it's okay because then the beeswax stays on the brush and it helps me when I'm doing my eyebrows because then my eyebrows also stay in place. You dig? This is just the method for this vacation. I normally don't do this, but this is what I've been doing lately because you gotta use what is available for you, you feel me? And yeah, and yeah, and yeah, and yeah. And yeah, I'm going to outline my eyebrows. Oh, I kind of have a new method I've been doing recently, and it's kind of like the UK girl method that I learned recently. Just said recently twice in the same sentence. What? Oh, I didn't even prime my face. I prime my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. I know, I love this primer. And this is the new technique that I have been using. I don't put foundation under my eyes anymore. I just go straight to concealer for the under eye. So I go here, and my friend Jess gave me this trick. So shout out Jess. Just a little bit right here. This camera blurs my face a little bit, like it has like a soft skin type of look on the lens, and so that's why my face, if it looks like super airbrushed, that is the reason why. It is a new camera and it has that kind of like soft look on it, which is honestly kind of the best because sometimes you don't be looking too good, but it makes you look a little bit good. And then I'm gonna be doing foundation where I didn't put my concealer because we are in sunny California. I'm not going to use my matte. I'm going to use my dewy foundation. So this is the Fenty Beauty Dewy Foundation in the shade 417. I have this Juvia's Place concealer that I've had for a long time, but I never used it because it was too bright. But recently I've been learning that the UK girlies actually love a bright under eye. I'm going to dab this in. This is the Born This Way concealer in top, and I'm gonna blend this in. Blend it. I got it in my eye. Blend it right here out like that. Blend it right here out like that. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place. This is number 13, and I'm just gonna do a dot, like a little right here in the corner. And then blend that out as well. That kind of gives me the brightness that I'm looking for. Ever since I learned about this, it has been a game changer. Blended it out a little bit more than intended, but we're gonna fix it, don't worry. And now I'm just gonna blend this in with my like foundation blender. Just anywhere that's too bright, I just blend that out. Now we have this little base right here looking good. Then we are going to go in with powder. Sadly, I ran out of my Laura Mercier, so I'm using the Fenty. And yes, I said sadly because it's so bad. So bad, especially with flashback. Maybe I'm the only one that has this problem, but it has so much flashback and I don't like it. Look at this photo. Actually, never mind, I'm not gonna show. It's very bad. And I'm using another kind of shape beauty blender. You don't need to use this one. You can use any beauty blender, but just make sure it has like a pointy end. And I just put the powder where I put foundation. I mean concealer. sometimes I just need to fix my brows. And then I have this little palette right here. I'm gonna use this as kind of like a contour shade, although it's not very dark, but I'm making do with what I have. I'm just gonna put that right here, that right here. Same palette. I have my blush. I'm really a simple girl, you know? I don't need much. Now I think my face is kind of almost done. A couple more things are needed. Sometimes I take the powder and kind of underline the contour. If I had a contour cream, this would be more prominent, but I don't. So bluff it all up, you know. Bluff it all up. Bluff it all up. Not sure what that means, but I feel like it means something. I'm gonna do a little bit of pink eye. This is the only palette I have, so I only have like pink shade. I'm going to be wearing these lashes, these ones, the shortest ones, because I kind of outgrew wearing like falsies. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels this way, but I used to love, oh, you guys know because you guys have been watching for a while, big fluffy lashes. And I actually don't even wear lashes like that anymore. I barely do. We'll be back once these lashes are on. Okay, lashes are on. Okay, earrings are on. This is my makeup in the sun. Looks so beautiful.